Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new review video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the OMIEBOX Up. This is a brand new product. They just released it and I'm going to unbox it for you. We have been using the OMIEBOX for almost a whole year now. We've really been enjoying it. So I was really excited when they sent me their brand new OMIEBOX Up. So this is how it comes. Actually, it did come wrapped in like a plastic, but I unwrapped it so you didn't have to see me struggle on camera here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I will read you a little bit about it in just a moment, but I wanted to share with you. This is how it's looking. It is smaller as far as like how large it is. The OMIEBOX is like a more square. This is a rectangular shape. And then on, let's see, my right-hand side, so if it's facing me, there is a thermos. So this thermos looks much, much bigger than the OMIEBOX. And, ooh, I'm liking this grip. There's like a rubber grip around the outside of it right here. Feels like it's easier to open. And then that's what it looks like. So this one doesn't narrow out the way the OMIEBOX one does. So I believe this is a bigger one. I will look at the dimensions here in a moment. And I'm assuming you could also use it without the thermos and just put something in here like a sandwich. Okay, on the other side, came with a few things. This looks like a little name tag. Yes, this is like a little rubber name tag. I believe you can hook it on kind of like a keychain. My kids always still take a lunchbox with it, but I think it's cute. All right, there we go. That's easy enough. We'll hook it on in a minute. And then it also comes with a divider. So over here on this side, you can divide the compartment however you like, half and half, a third and 2/3, etc. And then here is the OMIEBOX seal, or the OMIEBOX Up seal. This is what makes it leak proof, and when you're cleaning it, don't forget to take it off and wash it, because then it gets really gross underneath. All right, and so all you're going to do is, you see these grooves right in here. We are just going to start pressing it in there, line it up and press it in, very easy. Goes in very easily, you can see. Just line it up, squash it in. There we go, nice and firm. And then, okay, yep, snaps closed just fine. Then I think you can actually, yep, you can take this whole insert out. And I saw this feature on the box. You can take this ice pack out and freeze it, and then add it into the bottom here so that when you add this compartment, it keeps like your fruit and veggies cold, whereas your thermos is over here insulated, keeping your other food warm. So that is super cool. Let me go through and see if there's anything interesting that I want to share with you from the user manual. Okay, so wash it all before use. It says, oh, this is important. Do not leave food inside the OMIEBOX Up for more than 12 hours. And then wash after each use. Remove the lid seal and gasket to wash them so that they don't get moldy. And then these parts are not dishwasher safe. The thermos and the thermos lid is not dishwasher safe. The ice pack and the securing insert is not dishwasher safe. It says this inner tray that's removable is dishwasher safe, but they do recommend hand wash. Okay? And then good to know, you can preheat your thermos with boiling water for 5 minutes before you put the hot food on. But when you put the boiling water in here, don't cover it with the lid. Just let it sit open with that boiling water. And then obviously be careful as you're pouring it out so you don't burn yourself. Don't put the thermos in the microwave. Don't put it on the stove or any type of oven. Hand wash your thermos. Let's see. Don't leave anything in the container for more than 24 hours. Don't put anything carbonated in here. Don't put dry ice in here. Ice pack needs to be in the freezer for 12 hours before using. Don't put the ice pack in the microwave or dishwasher. The OMIEBOX Up can hold wet foods but not liquids. So don't put soups, drinks, or watery sauces in any of the compartments. Those should be packed in the thermos. So this divider right here that I showed you is good for keeping peas away from carrots, but they are not completely leak proof. And then don't put the whole box in the microwave or freezer. And then it takes you through the assembly, which I showed you how to do. The only thing I didn't show you is the gasket in here. So there's a clear piece here that comes off. You want to take that off to wash also. And then you can just stick it back on. And then it does show you how to put the name tag on. You just feed it through these little loops right in here. But I'm really excited to start packing lunches in this new OMIEBOX Up. My daughter is almost 9, so I think this will be a really good size for her. If you guys want to see what I pack my daughter for lunch, you can follow me over on Instagram at Kathy M Lifestyle. I share lots of different videos that I pack for my daughter over there. And then I will be coming back here to do a full review after we've used this OMIEBOX Up. If you guys like this unboxing, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you like using OMI products. And don't forget to subscribe if you like product review and how-to videos. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!